Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the exact video specs so filters match frames, check resolution, frame rate, and codec. Next, install and verify FFmpeg and a frame processing tool like VaporSynth or Hybrid, plus an inpainting model for burned subtitles. Once done, make a lossless copy and organize folders: source, frames, masks, output. This prevents data loss and speeds iteration. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date so model inference runs efficiently, and you don't waste time on CPU-only processing. You extract representative frames to find subtitle placement and timing. Use FFmpeg to sample every NTH frame and inspect variations. Then, create binary masks covering the subtitle area, automate with contrast/edge thresholds, or use a text detection model, and refine with dilation/erosion to avoid halo artifacts. Once masks are satisfactory, align them back to the full timeline, interpolating masks across frames when subtitles persist. This alignment ensures the inpainting model. You feed masked frames or the full clip into an inpainting workflow, prefer a temporal-aware model, or apply optical flow to propagate clean pixels across frames, which reduces flicker. After inpainting, recombine frames and re-encode with original codec and bitrate using FFmpeg to preserve quality. Once done, inspect the result at normal playback speed for artifacts. If you see motion inconsistencies or ghosting, reprocess those segments with tighter masks or temporal smoothing. Make sure to keep the original copy until you're fully satisfied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.